चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So in the previous videos, we learned that how to make your voice sound like Mr. Beast. And if you all might have seen Mr. Beast's channel, he also translates his videos into various different languages like Spanish, Hindi, and a lot of various different languages. And he might have a lot of manpower to do that, but we don't have that kind of support. But we do have AI with us. So today we are going to use AI to do the same, and we'll translate our video into various different languages like from English to Hindi or to Spanish just by using some AI tools. So the number one AI tool is rask.ai. Before starting this video, I just want you to know that nowadays you have seen that AI has taken over the world in just a short span of time, and millions of people have lost their jobs and also got laid off. And I believe you don't want to get hit by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that AI won't replace you, but the person who will be using AI will surely replace you. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, we have got this 3 hours amazing AI tools workshop in which we'll teach you that how to upskill yourself, increase your productivity and enhance your career, and make your future secure with us. And join our workshop by clicking the link in the description. And let's continue the video ahead. And when you go to the homepage of rask.ai, just click up on sign up with Google. Just choose an account through which you want to continue on the website. And once you are signed up, it will ask you what is your role, and you can write whatever. Like I'll write that I am an influencer. What type of content you would like to translate? I'll write videos for my blog. How many minutes of 10 to 50. So these are these basic questions that you might need to answer before continuing on the platform, but let's do that. So we have reached the page where it says let's translate your first video. So let us upload the video. So it has given a description where we want to upload the video. The trial video should be under 20 minutes and 100 MB. We'll trim your video to a 1-minute trial clip. So I have already recorded a video for this thing, and let me attach that video. And the video size of my video is just 12.6 MB, so we would have no problem over there. Number of speakers in videos are 1. Original language is it's English, and it's asking like we want to translate, so we'll click on Hindi. So let's translate it. So it's taking a little time, but it's showing like uploading video. So now if you see, it has already generated a video for us. You can just click on play.
नमस्ते, AI और चैट जीपीटी की कार्यशाला में आपका स्वागत है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है, और अगर आपको यह पसंद आ रहा है तो इसे लाइक करना ना भूलें। और ये एक नमूना वीडियो है।
And if you see that there's also the live transcription. So if you want, you can also change the transcription. If you don't like, if you are not satisfied with any of this, so you can just add over here like whatever the prompts you want or anything. AI और chat GPT की कार्यशाला में आपका स्वागत है. And just simply click on download. Just click on translated video, and your download has started. And it's that easy that you have translated a video for yourself in Hindi. If you see, you can open this video directly in your PC.
नमस्ते, AI और चैट जीपीटी की कार्यशाला में आपका स्वागत है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है, और अगर आपको यह पसंद आ रहा है तो इसे लाइक करना ना भूलें। और ये एक नमूना वीडियो है। अलविदा।
And that is how you can translate your audio from English to Hindi or any other language. But if you see, this AI just allows you 1-minute video. But if you want to like translate a 30 minutes video, so what we need to do, we'll use another AI for that. And that AI is Voxqube. So we'll open the Voxqube and showing you that localize your video in any language with AI. So just click on localize it. And if you see, the first video is free, and like you can get your translated video in 5 minutes. And there are also these premium plans. So we'll just click on localize it. So here also it will ask you to sign in, and just sign in with your Google account. Just click on your mail ID and drag and drop your video file. So we'll use the same video file what we had used for the previous one. And the first one is free, but after that you might need to pay for it. So the video is getting uploaded. It has it self-detected that the original language is English, and we want to translate the video to German. So let's try for German. Just click on checkout, and the translation is in progress now. It does take a little time because it needs to process the audio, change the audio to some other language. But understand it, it's saving you already a lot of time. So you can be a little patient for that. And if you see, the video is ready for us and we can directly like download the video. Just click on download your video and your download has started also from here. It's showing you 13 seconds left, and believe me, this is me speaking English, but the audio is in German now. See the video has been translated to German language and you can listen to this.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen zum Workshop von AI und ChatGPT. Ich hoffe, dass Ihnen dieses Video gefällt, und wenn es Ihnen gefällt, vergessen Sie nicht, ein Like zu hinterlassen.
But if you see, there would be a little of this lip sync issue. But if you manage with that, you would have your audio in various different languages, and you can just use an audio if you want. If you don't want a video, then it's a great app, great AI that you can use for yourself if you're doing this for podcast or any other type of audio content. But for video, you might have to see a little about lip sync, and that is how you can use AI to translate your voice into various different languages, and you don't need to learn the languages. The AI will do all the work for you. And that is it for this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any doubts. Don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And also remember, you have a 3 hours live tools workshop that you can learn and increase your productivity and enhance your career. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.